Hey everyone, welcome back to the Canny Nana. So I am at Costco and here we go again. They're out of paper products, all paper products again.
Yeah.
So
Nothing.
if you can stock up, I would
You know
stock
where
up
the
now.
toilet paper factory is?
Yeah, it's across the street.
Yeah.
This is crazy. Everything, napkins, tissues, paper towels, toilet paper, everything is out. So, and the crowds here are crazy. So, COVID part 2. Here we go. I hope you guys are stocked up. There's the limit again. Here we go again. Today's November 18th, and we're getting limits again. I've been telling everybody to stock up, and people keep saying, no, this is not going to happen again. Well, guess what? We're here. It's all empty. Yeah, so all of this is empty. Not so many crowds right here, but if you look in the parking lot, I wish I would have taken that. It's incredibly crowded, and it is only not even 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, guys, catch you soon. I'll be back home in a little bit, and we're going to do a video. Oh, let me know what's happening in your neck of the woods, and if you guys are going through the same thing. Please, please, please learn to preserve your food, have a food storage, be prepared always. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.